Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Twitch on your Mac and use it like a standalone app. There's no official macOS app required, and the whole process takes less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari on your Mac. You can click the Safari icon in your dock, or press Command plus space to open Spotlight Search, type Safari, and press Enter. Once Safari is open, go to twitch.tv. When the website loads, look at the top of your screen and click File in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Dock. A small confirmation window will appear. You can rename it if you'd like, but I'll leave it as Twitch. Then click Add, and that's it. You'll now see the Twitch icon in your dock, just like a regular app. Here's the best part. When you click the Twitch icon, it opens in its own dedicated window, separate from Safari. It doesn't look like a browser tab anymore. It behaves like a real desktop application. Even if you completely quit Safari, Twitch will continue running independently. This gives you a clean, distraction-free experience, perfect for watching streams without having multiple browser tabs open. Now, if you're using an older version of macOS and you don't see the Add to Dock option in Safari, don't worry. I've included an alternative method in the description below that will help you achieve the same result. And that's it. You've successfully installed Twitch as a standalone app on your Mac. Simple, fast, and super useful. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy Mac tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.